I was imagining that whole thing was like, hey man, so I'm outside right now, and I'm about to say Happy New Year to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna text some people, not all people, but you know what I'm saying?
Can you tell your fans I said hi?
Bro, you don't even record everything, bro. I can't move. Because this one's might help you and stuff.
Hey, what's up?
What? You truck dad? Ron, what? What are you doing?
Hold on, okay.